This is an example of one of our busy books. This is the Busy Bug book. So we've got a nice, cute little ladybug here. And so, the whole premise of this is that the busy ladybug, or busy bug, has been out playing with all of her friends, and now she is on her way home. And so we are going to be following her on the way home. So you just pull it back, and then you set that front wheel onto the track, and you let her go. And off she shoots around the butterfly, near the pretty flowers. In each page, the words just kind of follow around her track. She's got the busy bug wiggles past the buzzing bees. Beside the munching caterpillars. Right here we can search for something. On the way she spotted some blue flowers and a purple bug. Can you? And so then you can ask your child to find the purple flowers and the purple bug. And so you just continue following her journey through each page and track until finally she arrives at home. And there she is, home at last and happy. We also have this in trains and a helicopter, and I believe we also have a car one. You can buy them as a collection or individually. Anyways, this is one of our busy books. Thanks.